Hi friends, I'm back today with a delicious chicken snack recipe for you. We are going to make chicken Hazari Tikka. This tikka I think is the best among all the tikka varieties. Whenever we dine out, we always end up ordering this tikka and it's my personal favorite. So I gave it a try a couple of times at home. Nowadays that we are not eating out or getting any takeaway, it turned out really very delicious, almost as good as the restaurant one. So today I'm going to share this recipe with you all. I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I do. Let's get started. To make the Hazari Tikka, we have taken chicken 400 grams. We are using the thigh portion, boneless portion, which is perfect for tikkas. Wash it well and pat it dry with a kitchen cloth. And then we'll need skewers. If you have metal skewers, you can use those, or you can even use the wooden ones. But remember, these have to be soaked in water for a couple of hours so that they don't get burnt while grilling. Then for marination, here we have taken milk powder 1 tablespoon. You can use 2 tablespoons of cream instead, but I prefer milk powder. Then we have 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. You can use any cheese you have. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of green chilli, crushed green chilies. You can use double if you like it spicy, and 1 egg. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala, and then we have 1 lemon to squeeze on top after the chicken is ready, and chaat masala you can sprinkle when it is ready before serving, and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, which is the key ingredient. Now let's start the marinating process. Put all the chicken pieces in a bowl, larger bowl, and add all the ingredients one by one: garlic, ginger, chili paste, salt, garam masala, gram flour, milk powder. Now I prefer milk powder because it has no water content. When you add cream, it's little watery, so you use whatever you have. 1 egg. Now mix all these ingredients first. Rub them very well so that they coat the chicken pieces. Now this is done. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Save the rest for later for greasing the tray and also putting little on top of the chicken before roasting it. Rub it nicely. This is done now. Cover it with a cling film. This we are going to set aside for 1 hour minimum, or few hours, at least 6 to 7 hours. Preferably overnight is better. The more you marinate, the better chicken is going to taste. Now before baking it, line the baking tray with a silver foil and grease it with mustard oil. Brush it well to spread it evenly. And now we'll put the chicken pieces into the skewers. Traditionally this chicken is made in the tandoor, but since we don't have option, we cannot have tandoor in the house, apartments are smaller, so we make use of the oven. But to give the tandoor look, the charred look, what we can do is we can hold them directly on the gas flame once they are done, to give that effect and flavor, smoky flavor. this is done. Take little bit of marinade and rub it on the pieces. Little I am saving for the other side. When we turn the side in halfway while roasting, we'll rub this. And also the oil, pour little now and save little for the other side. These are ready to go into the oven now. Grill them at 200 degrees C for 25 to 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, you turn the side of the chicken and rub the leftover marinade and the little bit of oil over them. After 30 minutes, the chicken is done. The tikkas are ready. You can serve them as it is also, or if you want, give them that charred look by holding it over the gas flame. This can also be done with a blowtorch. If you have a blowtorch, it's easier. You can do it very easily. Now this is done. Sprinkle little bit of chaat masala on them if you like. This is optional, however, if you like, you can sprinkle. Because in dhabas and restaurants they do. And squeeze out little lemon juice over it. Now Hazari Chicken Tikka is ready to be served. Let's do the plating. This is really a very delicious chicken tikka. We love it. It's our family favorite. Here we go, ready to be served. You can serve it with some mint chutney. Let's see how they are done and the taste. Very well done. They are cooked to perfection. So soft, nice, succulent and juicy. Don't they look so delicious? Wow, awesome. Friends, do try out these soft and succulent tikkas soaked in the creamy marinade for hours and baked to perfection. I'm sure they are going to win your hearts too. Make and enjoy. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some more videos from the archives. You can check them out too. Thanks for watching. Bye until next.